Hello everybody, it's Johnny from Johnny's Adventures. We're over here at the New England Motorcycle Museum in by Rockville, Connecticut. Ken Kaplan Cycle. This place is pretty cool. It's got a lot of history. Old building that was totally restored. And he's got like 3 floors of motorcycles. Ken Kaplan is a big Honda guy. He loves the Hondas, especially the 250s. 500s, those 2-strokes, loves the 2-strokes. So we're gonna take some video, show you what you got, and hopefully you'll like it. Enjoy. Ah, it's cool. Look at that. Nice. This is my speed right here. Beep beep. Amazing what you got here. This guy right here, he's famous. Stop. Say hello, sir. Hello. Hello. Boy, I would love to drive this thing around town. Police 3-wheeler saying, pull over, going too fast.
Okay.
Look at this Kawasaki 90. Unreal. Look at these old bikes. Look at this old thing over here. You 3-wheeler people, remember these? Oh man, they're like clean. Look at this one over here. Look at this. Unreal. This was a popular 250R. Oh man, that thing is like freaking worth. Yeah. Let's take a look.
Don't worry about that. Come on. All right, I'll
Beautiful BMWs. Look at these things.
It's here.
Holy crap! Look at this. Look at these motors. Cylinders. Unreal. Wow. What do we got back here? Beautiful. Something probably got like ice creams in or something. Ooh, container. Beautiful. This little guy. Wow. Beautiful. Look at this old Yamaha. Oh crap. What do we got over here? Yeah, this is more my speed right here. Oh, look at this thing. Oh, look at this little KDX. Holy. Oh my gosh. Look at the. This was so popular back then. The boots, Scott boots, I had a pair of them. That outfit, if you can find that outfit now. Unreal. Look at that thing. That bike is mint. CR250. These are more my speed right here. These little Vespas right here. Yeah, that's it. You know, we seen one of these Cannondales. I seen this same bike over in Newburgh, the motorcyclopedia. It was downstairs. There was one of these, and I kind of remember them, but you know, it's funny because I don't know what year these are. This is a Supermoto version. Let's see here. 2003 Supermoto 605. But this one here, I don't know what year this one is, but this one, it's got some pretty good technology for whatever year it was back then. Oh, little KTM. Oh, right here, this is my baby right here. This is the one that I always wanted. The RM 500. 85. This thing is like mint. Air cooled. They never went to the water cooled on the 500. They stopped making it. Look at this. RM Zilla right here. Then you got the Yamahas, the 490s. This one's an 82. Wow. Sold 2019 for $2,900, $2,950. This one, and they went to the white. These, I used to love these bikes right here, these ITs, Yamahas. These were like, kind of like, they competed against the KDX, great bikes, Yamaha versions. And here's the KDX, which was like, this is the 450, and then you got the big 500. But this right here, these KDXs, they started it all for Cowie. They put them on a whole different page. They're such a popular bike. This thing right here, oh my gosh. This 500 is like unreal. Beautiful. Maybe it's something, I don't know. Probably to save on electric and everything, motion. This thing right here, whoo, look at this. Look at this old technology, Unitrack. And this is Yamaha's, how they had their suspension. That was really popular with them. The monocross that it changed, as you can see. I have one of these. This is the 500. These Hondas. This thing's a beauty. 2000. This guy's from Canada owns this. Wow. Ken Senior, he loves the 500 two-stroke. He's a big Honda 500 guy. I don't blame him. Let's go take a look at these over here. This used to have more bikes in it, unless he moved. They're moving some stuff around. Like I said, he's a gas dealer as well. Restores.
All these are theirs. This one guy owns all these.
Wow, somebody's.
All these.
Look at these CRs.
Plus in full.
Wow. Look at this 500 over 2, 3. Oh, oh man. Beautiful.
Race.
Look at this thing. It's like, oh. And look at this one. I like that. Look at that. That's all decked out. 1776. This is beautiful. Look at this. Kaplan America. Look at that. Excuse me. Look at this. Beep, beep. The old phone booth right there. if you're a two-stroke guy, especially these old Hondas, oh man, oh boy, unbelievable. These are great bikes right here. Fun to ride. This thing's got to be a freaking beast. Let's take a look at some of the road bikes. What the heck we got over here? This thing is huge. Look at this monster. What are these? Honda. Holy crap. Look at this thing. This bike, it's got like, you know, it's so big. The massive front end, you know, the motor and everything. Suzuki. I don't know what this is.
You have to use those steps.
Probably.
Those south stairs and north stairs, they don't want to show.
Look at this electric.
Because these all those are the basic things. My
These are racers right here. Look at this thing. Up the light. Up the light. Little Kawasaki's. Look at this Harley right here.
Little one. Look at what you got.
Wow.
I'm trying to see if there's any light switches.
Let's go this way.
Here, come on.
Nice.
No trespassing, violators will be shot. Survivors will be shot again.
That's an old one right there. Oh, look at this KX 500. Oh,
Make it dark for your camera.
yeah, this thing's a beauty right here. Oh. Bikes. CRs. Oh my goodness. Elsinore. Look at these things, boy.
I think that guy was in the parking lot when all the whole gas.
Oh yeah.
He's got a hole all over it.
Oh yeah.
You see him?
I know. I see him down there.
They're brandy new.
They're brandy new.
Maybe they're not supposed to be up here.
Maybe not, I don't know. You didn't say, I mean, gas. Oh, look at these old RMs.
There's a bunch of tires up here.
Oh, oh,
It's like a store up here.
KDX 200. This is an amazing bike right here. This one right here, this is like, oh man, beautiful. Beautiful. And the old RM. Oh. Oh man, I had two of these old bikes. Oh man. I had the 400 version, which was amazing. That's a PE. YZ490 for hill climbing. Oh, the Trials one? Yeah, it's a funky looking bike with low profile. Oh, Husqvarna. Look at the kick start is on the other, on the left side. CR. Oh my God! Look at that Triumph. That is beautiful. It's a beautiful bike. This is something you got to come see. You can't just like, you know, the video is not going to do it justice. Just like over at Motorcyclopedia over there at Newburgh. I cannot believe that it took me that long to go. This thing, I'm in love with this old bike. This is like, if you had one of these back then.
It's gonna be dark after the
Yeah. Yeah, see now he's a gas dealer.
gas.
Look at all these beautiful brand new bikes. All right, which one do I want?
They're all the same.
Well, no, this is the road versions. These are the ones that I would go for right here. And this is a 500, which I like very much. This is it. 500s. And then he's got the 350 version. Look at all that beautiful red right here.
Beautiful red.
This is the one. Just like the KTM and the Huskies. This is something that you go back and forth, play with. Right there, that's the one. Look at all these gas. Wow. Your nephew Wayne will be in heaven right now.
Why he likes gas?
Well, yeah, because Justin Barsha. He likes Justin Barsha. This is a 300. This is a very nice bike. Some beautiful bikes. Amazing. Yeah, gas bicycles. It's got a beautiful gas sign coming. Look at that. Oh, the little ones. This is like heaven right here. All these beautiful bikes.
Gas sneakers.
125 two-stroke. This thing's got a rip. Man, they don't fool around. Gas. They are definitely looking really good. Gas is part of the KTM Husky.
Oh,
One big family. Yeah, KTM owns them all. And
keeping the gas gas.
this is a nice bike right here. Skip, if you see this video, gotta take a look. Wow. This is like what I have, but in the the Cowie. This is it right here. Beautiful bike. Beautiful. Oh yeah. I'm in love with that one right there. What do you think?
Wanna buy it?
Huh.
You'll buy it.
Yeah, I'll buy it.
Yeah, come back.
Okay.
Skip, look at this. You got to come up here, Skip. Check this place out. That thing's gotta be freaking fun. Oh, that's it right there. That's the one. Beautiful. All the old trophies and stuff. Here's a better view of this KDX. This thing. KDX 200. Amazing. $100. I had one of these. A friend of mine went to school with, Joey Massimillo. I traded the RM100, his RM100 for my KD or KE125. I remember that. That was awesome. That's what started me on the Suzuki trend. Beautiful. Say hello. There she is, the boss. Look at these floors.
There was a lot more. Or was there, maybe there was less upstairs and this was all full?
I think so.
There was less road, I mean, there was more road bugs.